Today I received the air diffuser. This is a Xiaomi brand, so I'm gonna unbox it. First we're gonna cut the tapes around that. I'm gonna cut this tape after I remove the foam. After cut, we open it like that, and then we see the manual in Chinese, and then we see your diffuser. Have to remove this foam first, and then we're gonna remove this. Alright, so after we remove from the box, this is the air diffuser. Put box down. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna open it here. So this is how it look like. You can put the water here. Look like that. And then they say you can connect with your phone and operate it. So I'll show you. So first they have QR code. You have to scan with your phone. It's like that, and then you click. It will pop up. After that, you're gonna click here, and then you install this. Easy like that. Okay, so this is how you can separate, and then you can move this, and this is how it look like, and this is how it look like on top. Okay, gonna test it. Alright, so we click here, and then it start. Okay, so we click, and then agree, and then agree. After that, it's gonna open. Search. We are in Thailand. Click. Okay, so you can sign in. Alright, so let me sign in first with my Gmail. Agree.